is the Shell Phone Show.
Blindshell.
GPS apps on the blindshell. Now I'm going to demonstrate two GPS apps that are on the blindshell, and I am riding the bus home. The first app that I'm going to do is a less sophisticated one called GPS Points. So let me arrow down to it.
GPS Points, 13 of 19.
And I'll enter that one.
Current position, 1 of 5.
So there are a number of options I can do with this app. There are 5 of them. I could get my current position, so let's do that.
Waiting for signal. Signal acquired. Meadows Drive, North Strabane Township.
Okay, I can do that. Or
Current position, direction to point, 2 of 5.
I could get a direction to a particular point, which I don't think I'm going to do, but I have my home in there and it would tell me, well, I'll do it. Let me see.
Home, 1 of 1.
Okay, so let me get my direction to home.
Waiting for signal. At 7 o'clock, 8,498 meters away.
Okay, so
Home,
there's that.
1 of 1.
Then
Direction to point.
another thing that I like
5.
about this app is I could use the compass, and I use this one a lot when I'm walking.
Compass.
So it
3
will
of
tell
5.
us what direction we're going. So let's enter that.
East.
So I'm going east, and I'm going to show you that it changes when the phone changes by rotating the phone.
Northeast. South-south. Southwest.
I'll go the other way.
East. Northeast. Northeast. North. Northwest. East.
So you get the idea of that one. So it will tell you which way you're going. So that's just a little app, and I use that a lot when I'm going home and I'm walking from taking a walk around the neighborhood, because it'll tell me where to go. But I'm going to go out of that app now.
GPS Points, 13 of 19.
And I'm going to go down to another one which I really like is Lazarillo. And that's one you can set favorites and it'll tell you where you are. And I'll just give you a short taste of what that one sounds like.
Lazarillo.
So we're going to enter it, and you're going to hear some dogs barking, but that's how it starts.
Lazarillo. Exploration.
Okay. So it's going to...
You're on Racetrack Road, South Strabane Township, Washington County, Pennsylvania. Intersection Burkitt Lane and Washington Road and Racetrack Road, 61 feet to your left. Intersection Racetrack Road and Washington Road, 68 feet to your left.
So there,
Stop exploration.
you can stop exploration.
Where am I?
It will tell me where I am if I ask it.
You're on
Where am
Racetrack
I?
Road, South Strabane Township, Washington County, Pennsylvania.
And
Sunoco Car Wash, 323 feet to your left.
it's telling me some places that are around me.
Burkitt Lane and Washington
And we're moving, so it's
74 feet
changing.
to your left. Burkitt Lane and Washington Road and Racetrack Road.
So there are lots of things you can do with that. It will give you places and favorites and all of that. So that's just a quick tour of just a very few rudimentary things with the GPS on blindshell.
Any questions? Just hit me up at drizza17@att.net. That's DRIZA17@att.net. Peace. This has been the Shell Phone Show, where you can learn everything about the Blindshell Classic series of phones.